Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure AirPlay can connect. Check HomePod Mini and your iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network, and update iOS and HomePod firmware. Once done, open the YouTube app and pick the video you want to stream. Now, tap the AirPlay icon in the video player. If you don't see it, swipe up for Control Center and long press the audio card. This gets the session ready and ensures AirPlay devices appear promptly for the next step. You now route YouTube audio to the HomePod Mini. From the Control Center audio card, select AirPlay and pick your HomePod Mini. Alternatively, tap the AirPlay icon inside the YouTube player if it's visible. Once you select HomePod, audio switches while video stays on your screen. This is why you control playback and volume from the phone. Make sure the HomePod shows as the active audio output. If sound is delayed, pause briefly and resume to resync audio buffering between devices. Finish by confirming playback. You'll watch video on your phone while the HomePod Mini handles audio, so use your device for scrubbing and captions. If the audio cuts or lags, stop AirPlay and start it again. If that fails, restart the HomePod and your iPhone and try reconnecting. Make sure no VPN or restrictive firewall is active on the network because that can block AirPlay packets. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot the router if devices can't discover each other. That usually clears multicast and discovery glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.